Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a rewind spread for the month of July, and it's going to be my wedding anniversary, so it's going to be wedding theme. So this kit, I found it on Planning Choco, that is a printable shop, and the shop owner is the same as Planner Choco. So because I don't have like sticker paper or how to print it and cut it and everything, I just asked the shop owner if she could make the stickers for me and send them, and I will pay for everything. She was super kind and did everything for me, so I highly recommend this shop. This is on premium matte paper and the prices are very affordable, so I'm going to link everything in the description box if you want to check them out. I'm going to link the both of the shops. So I'm going to start first with the bigger stickers, and I'm just loving this theme so much. I think that is such a cute kit. I'm going to use one of these flags that I have as a leftover from one of Hair and Plants kits, so I think that it can match really good with this kit. I'm just covering a bit of the flag. I don't need anything else. This is super gorgeous. I just love it, and the paper feels so nice. I love her kits. Every time that I purchase from her and I use her premium matte paper, it feels so good. It's amazing. Now I'm going to place the boxes for the sidebar, and I think that I need to do it like this to make it right. That's great and perfect. So nice. Now I'm going to place the washi for the days that are not on the month. So we have this one, so pretty. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that, and we have another one in here, so I'm just going to add this. So that's how it looks like. So gorgeous. I love this so much. Perfect. Now let me see, I think that I can place the date dots, but first what I can do is to place the other two boxes that we have, just to cover a few things. So our anniversary was on the 7th in here, so I guess that I can do like this one in here on the 6th, because I don't have nothing to mark in here. And the other one, I think that I wanted to place it maybe in here. Great, now I will place all the numbers very quickly, and I will be back to show you everything and just to move to the things that I want to memory plan for this month. Great, so that's how everything looks like. So pink and gorgeous. I just love this so much. I forgot to add the headers in here, so I think that I'm going to do this month, also the events, because a lot of things happened that maybe I won't be like writing in here, but I'm going to write in here. Birthdays, and also I think notes. Yeah, notes. So we have this month, events, birthdays, and notes. Love the font and everything too. So gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to move to the day by day, and I'm going to just zoom you a bit, I think. So the first thing that I want to mark in here on Monday 2nd, that is that it was my mother's Memorial Day. So I think that I can place this. I mentioned this before, my mom passed away when I was 5 years old, so this was her 23rd memorial anniversary, and I was pretty young, but I still remember her. And my grandmother, she raised me and my brother. She used to tell us a lot of stories about her, so I quite remember her. And I'm going to use one of these bows from Also Paperies. I think that I can put it in here on the top. So that's very cute. And I think that I'm going to white out the Independence Day, just because I don't know, I don't celebrate it, so I hope you are not offended. I don't live in the US, so it's not something that I need to mark on my planner. Then on the 5th, I just got a new phone, and I just remembered that I wanted to use one of these Paper Company phones. So I'm going to use one of these ones, but this one looks like the like a iPhone, but I don't like iPhones. So I got a Galaxy because I just love Samsung so much. So yeah, that's for my new phone. I'm so happy now. It works so fine. And I have a coupon code for Paper Company, that is Juli20, for 20% off your order. And if you mention my name, you can receive also my exclusive freebie, so check it out. So that's that. Then on the 7th, it was our anniversary, so I want to mark it with this adorable box, and maybe I can do the other one now. I'm going to use this one. So I want to mark it with this one. And also I have this wedding season sticker sheet from Bunny Plants, and I kind of want to add something here, like something, but I don't know, because this is so cute. Like, I could add the ring. I think that I'm going to add the ring. I was going to use another ring, but this is super special, so I'm going to do that. And maybe to cover the whiteout in here, I'm going to add something in here too, just to add a bit of something. So I guess that I can add this one for decoration. So that's that. And what else? Let me see. In here on the 7th, I shipped something to a planner friend. I shipped Holly's birthday gift because it was her birthday, and I just love her so much. So I just love her planning style and all that stuff, and I think that she's so amazing. So I want to mark that I shipped her package in here. So I think that what I can do is to use one of these cute flags. Maybe, let me see, I think that I can go with this one. And on top I'm going to put one of these ones. Oh, I can put this one, like gifts. No? I think so. But I will need maybe another flag. I feel that this flag is very small. But they're super cute. These ones are from The Giving Girl. Put this so wrong. So I think that I can do, like, use the flag that came in the kit. This one. And just place the gift sticker from my newest edition in collaboration with the Planner Sophisticate. So I will do it like that. So adorable. So yeah, this is so gorgeous. Then moving to the next page, I'm going to white out just the moons. It's fine that it's funny that I white them out because I just love the moon and everything that is like celestial and that stuff, but I just feel that they're so ugly in here. So the other thing that I wanted to mark is that it was my grandmother's Memorial Day in here, so I'm going to mark it too. And as I mentioned before, she raised me, so after my mother passed away, she took me and my brother, and he's the youngest, and she was such an amazing person, really a strong woman, I have to say. So okay, so that's fine. Now let's move to 15th, and this was I kind of want to put it like with this box because it's going to be funny, but it was the final of the World Cup and France won, and my husband, like his family is from France, so he was all over the moon and so happy about it. So I want to mark that too, and I think that I kind of want to mark it with something like special, but I don't know how to mark that. Let me look for an icon or something like that. Okay, so I think that I can mark it with one of these bows from my newest edition. These ones are the bow clip stickers on the palette shade pink. They're so stunning, I can even tell you, so that's very cute. So next we have nothing here, and in here it was my newest edition, not my newest edition, sorry, it was the Simply Gilded and the Planner Sophisticate collaboration, and I wanted at first to mark it with some of the like washi from the collaboration, and I didn't open it yet, and I couldn't bring myself to open it. Like I don't want to because it's so gorgeous, and I only have one of each, and I don't want it, like I know that the moment I open a washi roll I'm going to start using it, and because it was like a limited edition and it was such an amazing like washi collaboration, I don't want to use it unless she like release something new. So I prefer to use this pink and bow washi because I think that I knew ERIN's shop through Yesenia, of course, because Yesenia is amazing, and she always uses these like pink bow washis. Like the original one was the 15 millimeters, I think. So this one is the 10 one, and I don't know, I think that I just need to mark it with something cute like that. And I think that I want to add also one of these flags just to mark that it was the Simply Gilded collaboration. Moving to the 18th, oh no, yes, the 19th, sorry. So I had two stuff in here to mark. I have we had a wedding, so let me mark this. I think that I kind of want to mark it like this with this box in here. I'm going to put it like this, and I'm going to just put something on top, like maybe an icon or a deco or something like that from this. So I guess that I can use maybe this one, the flowers. Beautiful. And the other thing that I wanted to mark is that I had like a spa day. I had a day off, and I just did a facial and my eyebrows and all that stuff, so I want to mark that too with some icons. Let me find everything. So I'm going to just use this sticker from Arctic Paper Studio, and I'm going to use one of these lashes, although I didn't do my lashes, but it's fine. I just want to use them because they are gorgeous, so gorgeous, and my friend Sydney gifted them to me. They're so adorable. So that's that for the 19th, and then moving to 20, I didn't have anything. On the 21st it was my niece's birthday, so I will use one of these boxes, another of these ones, and I'm going to use something from this sheet, and this is from Bunny Plans too. This was the birthday girl sheet, so I think that I can do the balloons in here because it's very cute. So that's that for this, and then let me see, in here I had nothing. On the 23rd that I wanted to mark, it was Holly's birthday, so I will use this box in here too, and of course one of the balloons. And in here I just have to mark one more thing, and is that I want to give away Lindsay's giveaway, calligraphy with Lindsay, and I was so happy. Like, her stuff are so amazing, so every time that I want a giveaway I'm so happy. Like, I think that this month, I didn't mark that, but I think that I won 2 giveaways, or maybe it was one on the month before. I won the Lindsay's giveaway and also one from the Grateful Planner, so I'm so happy and grateful for that. So that's that. And the last thing that I want to mark is that I had a massage appointment in here, so I'm going to use another of these ones, and I will just use the massage, or no, I'm going to use the appointment instead, because I only have one of these ones, one of the massage. Like, she has these personal care script words, and I wish that she had like a whole one of the massage and a whole one of the pedicure or manicure, but she has only 2 of them, so I prefer to use the appointment, and I will remember, or just I'm going to write that is for the massage. So yeah, that's that. And now I'm going to write everything, and I'm going to show you the final spread. And this is how the full spread looks like after I wrote everything. I'm just so in love with it. First of all, the kit is so gorgeous. I have to say that it's so beautiful, and the paper feels amazing, and so pink and soft and feminine. I just love it. I love everything about it, and I'm so happy on how this turned out because it's not too overwhelming. So I'm so happy, and I just love everything about it. I don't have anything negative to say about it. I just love it, truly love it. So I'm very happy. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I don't know, I just truly recommend Planner Choco because she has beautiful stickers, and the premium matte paper feels amazing, and the prices are super affordable, so I highly recommend her shop. And the shop owner is so sweet, so I don't know, I just have to recommend her shop because she's amazing. And I'm going to link everything in the description box, as I always do. Also my social media, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is olalajuliet. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!